Today I am going to show you how to make pork black curry. Today I am using both pork belly and shoulder cut. We have to use both because the pork belly gives the good taste to the curry. First we have to cut the pork pieces into small pieces like 1 inch size. This is 2.5 pound of pork pieces and I'm using special ingredients for this curry. It is a savoring agent. We call it Goraka in Sri Lankan language, and in India it is a fish tamarind. You can buy it from Indian grocery store. It's a fruit, dried fruit. So I have the paste of that fruit because it is you can boil it with little salt and grind into a small uh, paste. So I made that earlier. I'm using 2 teaspoons of that paste. One teaspoon of turmeric. And at about 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix all together and marinate at least for 30 minutes. Now heat little oil, maybe around 1 tablespoon oil in a heavy bottom pan. Here we have cardamom, ginger, garlic, cinnamon sticks, pandan leaves, onion, goraka and tomato. Now we are adding those into the hot oil. Now we are adding those and frying one by one. In a low heat, you have to do that. Now reduce the heat to the low and fry those little bit. This is curry leaves. I don't have fresh ones, so I put dried curry leaves to the curry. It's better to add fresh leaves, but I don't have today. Now I am adding my curry powder. It's in the description box. You can make it. And black pepper. Red chili powder. Now you have to fry those spices in low heat. Don't burn it, just fry in the low heat. You can add little bit of oil if you see it is going to burn. These spices give the curry to the black color, so don't burn it. If you burn it, it's give the bitter taste. Now add onion and another 2-3 pieces of goraka, that's savoring agent. If you don't have goraka, that black color is not coming, but you can get the taste with more tomatoes. Slowly fry that mixture into about 2-3 minutes. Then add 1 tomato. Now you can add marinade meat to this spice mixture. Now it's time to add the meat. It is now marinated at about 30 minutes. Don't add water or anything. Just mix the meat mixture with that spice. Now cover this and cook. This is after 5 minutes. You can see the water. Curry is now getting thick. Mix well. Add little bit of water, maybe around quarter cup. And mix it thoroughly. Cover it and cook for another 10 minutes. The same time, dry roast that curry powder, roasted curry powder in a pan. Don't burn it. You have to make it dark color by dry roasting. It is 2 tablespoons of the curry powder. Now add that curry powder to the pork curry. This gives you the real black curry to the pork curry. But don't burn it when you are frying it. You have to dry roast it in a low flame and cover for 5 minutes. Now your pork black curry is ready. Serve it. You can serve it with a rice or roti or anything. Even it's very good with yuca, boiled yuca. We call it manioka. This is the traditional way to make pork black curry.